Hi, and thanks for watching this video about my Oric and Atmos dflat ROM. So this is a reminder of what I've got, an Oric Atmos connected to a SD card driver that I built with an Arduino and with a ROM which is provided in this EEPROM that says Bad Apple, but it has a number of ROMs provided by a fellow Oric enthusiast, and it has the dflat ROM built into it, which is what you see here. And the dflat ROM allows me to query the SD card, so there's some special software on the Arduino monitoring the printer ports, and that's the interface via which we can watch for commands to get data to and from the SD card. And I'm going to show a game that I've been working on for a while, and it's in this directory called tapes. I've got a whole bunch of other files, but let's load up as a starter this one called in3d.tap, and it's going to take about 3 minutes, so I won't let us wait in real time, so I'm pausing the video until it comes back. So it's nearly finished loading. We'll give it the last few blocks to load and it's ready. So this is a 30k text file, 31k text file. It takes about 3 minutes and 10 seconds to load, which is a grand speed of around 150 bytes per second. But actually what's happening here is that this is a file format which is a text file format, and it's the easiest way to load programs on the Oric, because I can create the program on a PC, save to the SD card, and then load it into the Oric, into a real Oric through this SD card interface. So I've got this program. It's one that I've put on YouTube and Twitter, but I wanted to play it on the real hardware. So let's click on Start, and you can see the instructions. What's happening here is the pauses are whilst the dflat interpreter is assembling the machine code, which has been the source of which is loaded in memory, and it's a bit of a delay to do that, so these instructions hopefully take away from the fact that you're having to wait while you read the instructions. But it's already done, so let's press any key, and the Oric in hardware automatically detects the joystick, so I can press any key and then start playing the game. So this part is in basic, but now we're in the machine code, and the ship has got friction, a bit of inertia and friction. I have multiple aliens coming down. The sound is a bit quiet because this Atmos has a very noisy speaker, so I've damped it a little bit to make it quiet. And every time you kill 10 aliens, you go to the next level. And the next level is basically the same again, but it's going to be slightly faster. And as you get through the levels, it really does speed up. The other strategy on this game is the scoring mechanism. The lower down the alien is when you kill it, the bigger the score. So if you're going for a high score, you can take a risky strategy of waiting for the aliens to get near the bottom before you kill them. But of course, if you wait too long, you might run out, like I've just done there. You might run out of space, and then you lose a life. So this game is really a demonstration of my dflat basic interpreter. using the SD card, assembling a whole bunch of machine code. It's only about 2K of machine code, but it takes around about 17K of text source to define it. And using a combination of basic and machine code, or dflat and machine code, you can create a game which is kind of okay. It's not the most polished game in the world, but the idea is this is a demo of what's possible. Anyway, I shall be at the Retro Computer Festival in Cambridge at the Cambridge Computer Museum on the 4th and 5th of November with this setup and this game. So maybe you can come along, have a look at the Oric. I'll have the original Oric ROMs and original Oric games as well as my homebrew computer system. And you can see whether you can beat my high score. 803 it says there, but I've definitely scored over 1100. So if you want to come along and see whether you can do any better, it'd be great to see you on the 4th and 5th of November. Thanks for watching this video.